We'll guide you through how to make white background in Lightroom Mobile. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result. So you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open Adobe Lightroom Mobile and import the photo you want to edit into your library. After the photo has been imported successfully, open it from your library to access the editing workspace. Once the photo is open, tap the masking tool and select background to automatically detect and mask the background while keeping the main subject separate. After the background mask has been created, increase the exposure to brighten the background and make it appear cleaner. Next, increase the whites to achieve a brighter white background while maintaining a natural transition around the edges of the subject. If needed, reduce the highlights slightly to prevent overly bright areas from losing detail and to keep the background looking smooth. Then, adjust the contrast slightly to improve the separation between the subject and the background, helping the subject stand out more clearly. Carefully refine the background mask to ensure the adjustments affect only the background and do not spill onto the subject. Zoom in and inspect the edges of the subject, making any necessary corrections so the selection appears clean and natural. Review the white background effect and compare it with the original image if needed. Make additional adjustments to the exposure, whites, highlights, contrast, or mask until you achieve the desired result. Once you are satisfied with the final appearance, tap the share icon and then tap Export. Choose your preferred export settings, including the file format and image quality if necessary, before saving the edited photo to your device. Wait for the export process to finish. Review the exported image one final time to confirm that the background is evenly white and the subject remains clean and well-defined.